You ready to go?
We're good. Let's go.
Cool. Okay, so I'm going to give a quick synopsis as to what occurred today. As usual, I'm going to tell you the information as I know at this point. Information can and often does change, but I'm going to give you what we know at this point. I'm not taking questions after this. Obviously, you all know the type of questions will be at the briefing that we will have after some time here in the next couple of days. So today, at around 1:20 in the 9600 block of Gulf Lakes Drive, we had undercover officers, or unmarked officers, that were tracking a stolen vehicle that had picked up through flock cameras. The flock cameras led them to this apartment complex. The unmarked officers located the stolen vehicle in a back carport of the complex, occupied. They then asked for uniformed officers to come in and attempt to effect an arrest. As the patrol officers, fully marked, approached the vehicle accelerated, striking two vehicles in the process. There were four suspects in the vehicle. At least one of the suspects was armed and fled. There were additionally two firearms that were located around the vehicle as well, suspect firearms. At one point, officers fired their weapons at an armed suspect. We then found a firearm near the area where the shooting occurred. The suspect continued to flee northbound, and ended up getting apprehended. He was taken to the hospital. He is expected to survive. One of the suspects is outstanding, and we will continue to do this investigation to try to locate that suspect. And also, one of the suspects that was arrested in the stolen vehicle that fled was wanted out of the city of Dallas for a murder warrant. Again, when we give the specifics, we'll give that at the press conference, and that is what we have for now. No officers were injured. And again, and I'll say this, there is nothing routine about this job. What was a stolen vehicle that officers responded to turned into be a deadly encounter with police officers getting rammed, with armed suspects fleeing, and officers putting their lives on the line. Nothing is routine about this job, and again, we'll go through it more in detail early next week, but that's what we know right now. En español. There's no questions. No questions. En español. Esta tarde, a la 1:20 de la tarde, aquí en